You're getting taller, so we might have to change those golf clubs. Just a bit of movement around you. So if you have a look at your head, just a little bit too much movement.
So I should just keep on looking.
Keep looking at the golf ball, yeah. Mind you, like you flushed that. That was a really good golf shot.
Okay.
Really, really good golf shot. So that's a huge difference to where it used to be.
Okay.
Okay, and when you look at the speed that you're creating now as opposed to what you used to do, you know, much better.
What's the speed?
Okay, sorry?
But what's the speed?
That speed now, as far as what you're doing rather than used to place it into positions all the time, you know, it's almost 50 miles an hour, which is a lot better.
Okay.
Okay, so, you know, you used to do it about 30 miles an hour.
Okay.
That's 20 miles an hour is a lot. And that's the reason why now you're hitting it down to the 75 metre marker instead of barely getting it to the second basket. Yeah? That's a huge difference. We just stabilise that head, okay? And we might put something just a little longer in your hand.
Yeah. Is there anything else I have to work on?
No, that's it. Just trying to stabilise that head. And I want you to try and hit it as hard as you can.
So what does like stabilizing the head do?
Okay? So if you move the hub, so if that moves up, see how it's moved up and out of the box here?
Yeah.
Well, therefore you're going to change the contact point with the ground. So if the hub moves that way or that way or that way or that way, that then changes where you're going to make contact with the ground.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
So
So
then I'll hit it like. Yeah.
variably, you'll hit it halfway up the ball, you'll hit it 2 inches behind the ball,
Yeah, okay.
sometimes you'll even miss the ball. So there's just too much going on. Now, the cool thing is that you get back to a really good place 9 times out of 10.
Okay.
Okay, but I want to make it even more stable and get you to hit it harder and harder. Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah.